All right, you guys, so the boys wanted to make this video all on their own, and they were crazy while making it, but here they are. Hope you enjoy them making their favorite pancake on a stick.
Hi, my name's Benjamin. We're going to make pancake on a stick. We're going to make pancake on a stick with this big, fancy thing we got, and that's my brother's. That's my brother Zach, and he really likes mommy and he likes daddy thing. And the pancake on the sticks are very good. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so the little mini corn dog maker is nice and hot. We have the pancake batter and our pancake batter dispenser. Benjamin and Zachary just want to make these all on their own, so I'm going to let them do as much as they can. Super fun just having the kids help in the kitchen and make some of their own food, so I'm just going to let them do it. Hope you guys enjoy. They're kind of making a mess, but they had a blast.
The pancake on the sticks are cooking. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. These pancake on the sticks are so good. They're soft. We love them. I want one. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.
All right, you guys, the boys made these pancake on a sticks pretty much all on their own. We love this little mini corn dog maker that I got on Amazon. So it is really awesome, non-stick, and it's a perfect size for little sausage pancake on sticks or little mini corn dogs. So good. So I hope you enjoyed watching the boys make these. They had a ball. They just loved it. But they're a little wild, made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. It was super fun. So they'll have these for breakfast the next couple days. They gobble them up and love them. So check out this little mini corn dog maker. I got it on Amazon. So I will put a link to it in the description box. Also, I have these little bamboo skewers that we use for little corn dogs and these little pancake on sticks. So check those out. I will link it all in the description box. Thanks for watching the boys make a crazy video, and we will see you all next time. Bye-bye.